Do you know what factors affect the yellowing of plastics? Have you noticed any changes? Do you know what factors affect the yellowing of plastics? Actually, there is only one factor, and it is UV light. But how does UV light make plastics turn yellow? First, we will need to investigate how plastics form. There are two types of plastics. They are plastics made from addition polymerization and those made from condensation polymerization. No matter which type of polymerization is, plastics are formed by joining many small molecules together repeatedly. Those small molecules are called monomers. You can just simply imagine those monomers are just like kids holding each other's hands to form plastics. Then how does UV light affect the yellowing of plastics? UV light is emitted by sun. Plastics then absorb UV light under the exposure of sun. Inside plastics, UV light exposure causes degradation of some of the single bonds between the monomers. Those broken polymers then become smaller but highly reactive radicals. After reacting with oxygen and undergoing propagation, those radicals become a new conjugated structure. The new structures absorb light with shorter wavelength, causing yellow appearance of plastics. This process is called photooxidation. Are there any factors accelerating this process? The answer is definitely yes. They are temperature, water, and mechanical damage. These factors accelerate photooxidation, speeding up the yellowing of plastics. High temperature increases the average kinetic energy of particles, which increase the collision frequency and hence the rate. As for water, it induces the formation of radicals. Once there is a free radical formed, a chain reaction occurs and makes the yellowing process continue. If the formation of radical is enhanced, the yellowing process will also be faster. As for mechanical damage, it causes damage on the surface of plastics. The surface area for yellowing then increases. More unreacted surface is exposed for UV light. The rate of yellowing increases. Hold on, it's none of my business, isn't it? Oh come on, it's definitely no. Plastics are used in everywhere in our daily life. For examples, PCTG, HDPE, and PP are all commonly used. Not only the above mentioned, you can also find PS, ABS, and TPU in some figures and phone case respectively. Photooxidation doesn't mean the yellow appearance of plastics only. It also makes plastics more brittle. Plastic which become brittle may break easily when being used. Those broken pieces may cause bleeding since the edges are sharp. Then how to deal with the problem? We can use light stabilizer and UV absorbers. Addition of light stabilizer and UV absorbers can improve the appearance and the overall life of the product during the plastic manufacturing industry. You can see the most suitable UV absorbers and light stabilizer for specific plastic on the internet. Finally, it's hoped that this video can answer your question. Why do plastics turn yellow over time? Thanks for watching, guys!